Alright, so we talked about what are pages, posts, categories. I'm going to talk a bit about now when I'm using which. So I'm using pages for my main keywords. I select a couple of keywords and I make them my main keywords. And all secondary keywords, I put them, I mention them in the pages, and I make different posts for each of these and I make different posts for each of the secondary keywords. So I have prepared a list with all the keywords for Chimera that we may use. As you can see, all of them have several thousand searches. So even if you rank for like 5 of these keywords, you will get a lot of traffic and you will start making some income with this website. Like I said already, using Chimera online or any of these keywords may not be a very good idea anymore unless you're one of the first people to take this course, because I am pretty much sure that a lot of people will try these keywords now that I'm showing them to you. So just do what I said in one of my previous videos about how I find keywords, and find one keyword on yourself. It will be a keyword that probably no one else is using at the moment, so it will be 100% yours. Now, let's sketch out which of these are going to be our main keywords. Usually, I've had a lot of success with keywords that are that have the keyword online in them, and with keywords that have the for PC keyword in them. I would get the domain name Chimera Online, for example, like we said. So this should be my main keyword. It will be on my homepage. I will create a page about this keyword, and I will create at least 2 or 3 more keywords, 2 or 3 more pages for main keywords. Now, since we can mention Chimera photo editor anywhere, we can even mention it in this post here, I'm going to make it a secondary keyword for Chimera Online. Come on. Alright, so we can do the same with Chimera Camera. We can do the same with Camera Chimera. We can do the same with Chimera Camera and Photo Editor. They are all pretty much they're all very close keywords, so it's okay to mention them all in the same page. I will show you how. So we can also use these keywords here. What else? Can we use anything else? And I guess these are enough for here. We can mention them all here. We can even use mention them in other pages or posts. You will see how I will do this in one of the next videos. So, second main keyword that I'm going to use, that will be Chimera download. Many people are looking for downloads, so it's simply natural. So download Chimera will be a secondary keyword here. Chimera free download will be another a secondary keyword here. Then app download. Alright. And it seems like we are done with the English keywords, which is interesting. Now I would make another primary keyword, one of the Spanish keywords, or this one by Har Chimera. I believe we had less than 100,000 results, around 100,000 results. And Descarga Chimera, how many did it have? 100,000 results. So I'm going to make another page for Descargar Chimera. Descargar means download, so we can mention it here. So we can mention Descargar Chimera here, and we can make a separate page for it, like this. Let's check what this word means. I don't know what it means. Let's move it. Download. All right, this means download. And what language is this in? It's in Portuguese. So this is very interesting. All the download words, we can mention them here. We can just mention them here and then make posts or pages about them. I will mention this one here. So, and I will also mention them here. We are making a page about it, so no need to have this. So Simera gratis. Simera gratis means Simera free. Gratis means free. So what else? What else? This as well. Descargar like this. Simera para PC. I will leave this one here. This goes here as well. We already have this. So Indir, what does this mean? Download again from Turkish. Interesting. We can have this here again as well. Then we can also have Simera for PC page. It's another main keyword that people usually search about. It doesn't have a lot of searches, but it's just from experience. I'm telling you that usually you can have success with such a keyword. So I will add a different page for it as well. I will also make a page about Simera para PC. It will be simply Simera for PC translated in Spanish. Para PC means for PC. And these, let's delete this from here. These I will add them as tags. So let's see what will happen. Let's move on to making the pages and the posts. Let's go here. Let's make a page about Simera online pages. Go to pages. Let's edit this page. We are going to simply create them. We are not going to write any content, not yet. Online. I already spoke about what a slug is in a previous video. All right, let's make a new page. The next page will be Simera download. Like this. Let's publish it. All right, let's go and create a new page. Let's make Simera for PC. Let's make another one, Simera para PC. And descargar Simera. If you want, you can create a totally different and separate website for the Spanish keywords or whatever other language you may use to make pages. So you may separate them, one website for the English keywords, one website for the Spanish keywords. It's up to you. You can do it like this, or you can do it like I'm doing it right here. So this is totally up to you. So we have how many pages? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. This is more than enough. These pages are more than enough for us. Now let's make some posts. I'm going to make a post by using one of these keywords, and I'm going to use this keyword. And let's make it photo editor, but I'm also going to add some additional info in the headline. So let's say Simera photo editor one of the best photo editors. For example, just to make it a nice headline and it shouldn't seem like it's targeting specifically this keyword. I will use this post for something very specific, and I will show you what this is in a later video. Let's publish it. Alright. And let's delete these posts. We don't need them anymore. Move to trash. Apply and done. Let's see how our website looks right now. So we have our pages up here in the menu. We have our post here. And if you remember, I showed you a thing from the customize tool here that you can use a page as your front page. So let's select a static page and make Simera Online our static page. Alright, so now when people open our website, this is the page that they're going to see, and they are also going to see this menu here and our ads that we are going to add in a future video.